In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check all unread emails in Outlook. Whether you're using the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, or you're on classic Outlook for Windows, I'll walk you through the simplest ways to see only the messages you haven't read yet and then return to your normal view. If you're in the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, start by opening the folder you want to check, most commonly your inbox, but it can be any folder where you receive messages. At the top of your message list, look for the filter icon. It looks like a small funnel and sits near the search bar or view controls. Click that filter, then choose Unread. Your message list will instantly narrow down to show only the emails Outlook hasn't marked as read in that folder. This is a quick, focused way to clear out what needs attention without getting distracted by messages you've already handled. When you're done and want to see everything again, click the filter button a second time to clear the filter. You'll return to the full view of all mail in that folder. In most newer versions and on the web, that filter control is prominent and makes it easy to switch between all and unread whenever you like. If you're using classic Outlook for Windows and want to see all unread mail across your entire mailbox, a search folder is the most efficient option. Make sure you're in Mail, then go to the Folder tab and select New Search Folder. You can also press Ctrl-Shift-P on Windows to open it quickly. In the New Search Folder dialog, find the Reading Mail section and choose Unread Mail. Click OK. Outlook will create a new Unread Mail search folder in your folder list. Think of this as a smart view. It doesn't move or duplicate messages. It simply gathers all unread messages from all your mail folders into one place. Open that search folder anytime you want a single, consolidated view of everything you haven't read yet. If you want it handy, drag the unread mail search folder into your favorites so it's always just a click away. As you read messages, they'll automatically drop out of this view as new mail arrives. It appears here without any extra work. That's it. Thanks for watching.